So here are now 5 things that you can do in order to optimize your Fiverr gig. Now, in general on Fiverr, there are lots of gigs which actually look quite similar to each other. People describe what they want to do and they describe how long it will take them to do what you ask them to do. And there are 3 options then for every single gig, and that's pretty much it. But there are 5 things that you can do to make your gig stand out. And the first thing is, of course, to offer samples. For me, as a person that also outsources a lot of work on Fiverr, it is always necessary to look at samples. I want to know what I get. In the design community or in the design niche on Fiverr, there are lots and lots of samples, and designers know, of course, that their customers want to have a look at what they've already done. But in the world, for instance, of websites, let's say website development or app development, or for instance, ghostwriting and so on, there are lots and lots of freelancers that don't offer any samples. And I'm always surprised by that, because that is the first thing in my mind that you should offer on your gig page. So upload as many samples as you wish. Of course, it makes sense to only upload samples that are really good, where you're proud of the work that you have done. So upload them directly into your gig page, and then more customers will book you, because they will see that you offer great work. Then the second point is this one: add videos to your gig. Shoot a video where the potential customers can see you. They want to know who they're buying from. So shoot a video where people can see you, where, for instance, you sit, let's say, at your work desk, or where you're outside and you just talk about what you're offering. You don't necessarily have to be perfect in, let's say, speaking English or something like that. For instance, in my case, I'm not a native speaker. A lot of freelancers on Fiverr are not native English speakers, but the extra effort that you put into the video, that you give it your best to stand in front of the camera and to tell people what you're offering, even though perhaps you have some kind of accent and perhaps there's one word wrong or something is just not perfect about the video, don't worry about it too much. Of course, you should always give your best, but that extra effort will make a massive difference for a lot of potential customers. So make sure that you shoot a video where people can see you, where you present your services. Then number 3, add testimonials to your gigs. So make sure that there are other people already that liked your work, and you can, for instance, just make a video where you review all the positive testimonials on, for instance, your existing Fiverr gig, if you already, have an active Fiverr gig. If you don't have an active Fiverr gig and you are looking for testimonials, ask customers that have already purchased from you, let's say outside of Fiverr, to record a short video or to write a short article or to just do something that could count as a testimonial. That testimonial you upload into your gig. Of course, make sure that this is a positive testimonial, and then this will also make your gig stand out. The number 4 is offer commercial use licenses. A lot of people that could be your customers, they are wondering whether you're actually offering a commercial use license to the work that you have done. So make sure that when you, for instance, create logos, or when you set up, let's say, some kind of website, or when you write a book or something like that, that you actually offer people the commercial use license for everything that you have done. So all the intellectual property is not yours anymore, but actually the intellectual property of your customer. And then number 5 is offer extra fast turnaround time. So be very, very quick in what you're offering. And also what you can do is you can make this a main argument on your gig page. So basically say everything done in 1 day or everything done within 24 hours. And I think this will also make your gig stand out. But right, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we can see each other in the next one.